Neha, your shopping executive, and I'm back with another unboxing compilation. And this time we have a lot of skincare and makeup products, so don't skip this video. Please watch it till the end. Okay, so the first box is from Trell. There was a Glam Central sale going on, and I bought few things from there, and they have updated their delivery boxes to such cute boxes, and I'm so happy. And these were the products that I delivered, and honestly I feel that right now Trell is the best place to shop skincare and makeup from, because they have such amazing discounts going on. So I bought two things. One is this foundation from Lakme, and another thing was the lipstick which I showed earlier. I'm mentioning the original and discount prices on the screen and their shades as well. Another thing that I bought was this conditioner, because I tried it few days back and I absolutely loved it. I mean, it gives such a beautiful definition to my curls, so I repurchased it again. And here I'm showing you the shade of this lipstick. This is a fuchsia pink color from Faces Canada. So let me just quickly apply it and show you. Okay, so this is a matte color and I have slightly swiped it, and I quite like the color, but I prefer using it like a tint, like opaque and not very pigmented. Let me know in the comments if you like this color, and have you ever tried these Faces Canada lipsticks. And now there are these three boxes. I didn't get time to unbox them, so आज हम इसे साथ में unbox करने वाले. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna open is this one from Amazon. Okay, so it's Lactocalamine Daily Sun Shield Matte Look Sunscreen with kaolin clay. This is SPF 50 and it's for oily acne prone skin. It had really good reviews on Amazon as well, so I'm gonna give you update on this. Next is this Nykaa's order from Pink Friday sale. अभी मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि किस बॉक्स में क्या डिलीवर हुआ है, so let's just see. Okay, it has these cotton pads, these ones. These are from Tulle. These are really nice. मतलब अपने regular cotton से it has much better absorption capacity and it just removes makeup like very quickly. इसका actual price कुछ 80 rupees है. It has 50 cotton pads, so it's quite affordable. And now this really big one. And it has just, okay, it has 3 gems. Oh yeah, now I remember. I bought this charcoal and kaolin clay soap from Nykaa Naturals. 55 rupees, it's quite affordable. And next I have bought this beautiful thing, this little box. This is actually a sleeping mask. Its actual price is 175 rupees and you get a quantity of 10 ml. It has 4 to 5 different variants. This one is green tea and collagen, because you can see I have a lot of acne. I thought I can give it a try because this is for soothing and calming your irritated skin. I'll definitely share my reviews with this, so stay tuned. Okay, so first thing is this Simple Ka SOS Cleansing Booster. It's a clearing gel. And second one is this Swiss Beauty Gel Lipstick. There's a skincare blogger, Sneha. Her Instagram handle is 5feet5blog. I'll add it in the description. She's one of my favorite bloggers and I love her reviews, and both of these products are recommended by her. So when I saw these on discount, I was like, I'm definitely gonna give it a try. This one is for quickly drying out your pimple, because lately I'm having a lot of those bade wale pimples, so I wanted something to just shrink them quickly. So this one, and this is Swiss Beauty Ka Gel Lipstick. She had praised about it on her feed. It had 3 different colors. I bought this orangish one. Okay, so these were all the products. All of them are skincare and makeup related, so I'm really excited to try all of these and share my review with you all. आप मुझे comments में बताओ कि सबसे पहले मैं कौन सी चीज़ों का review post करूँ, like makeup या skincare. So I'll be waiting for your answers in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you enjoy watching my content, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Also, I've recently posted another video about my November empties, so don't forget to watch that one. The link is in the I button.